Guys, when we got all these boxes, their weight was almost 60 kilograms. But that's not all. Now we are going to mix it all up to get a huge, well, you guessed from the title. So, let's start. And we will start with the glue. It is the heaviest part. Oh, these sounds. Then, shaving foam. A lot of shaving foam. So that would be really fluffy slime. Like, oh, he just can't stop fooling around. And now we need to mix everything up with adding paint and a secret ingredient. And we are ready. A huge fluffy slime that weighs more than half of my brother. You can see that he can't even lift it. And then the fun began. What is the biggest slime you've ever seen? Tell me in the comments. And yeah, we didn't take into account that our fluffy slime sticks to the clothes. It seems someone will have a new t-shirt. And it's time to jump. Have you seen that? That was incredible. Just look at this bouncing fluffy slime. It just covered my brother. Oh man, what are you doing? Just stop that! At some point, fluffy slime became unreal to control, because this slime began to control my brother. Just look at this. But he coped, and even jumped with the camera. Jumping on a trampoline alone with a fluffy slime? Easy. But this I did not expect from him at all. Wait, now he looks like... I'm not the only one who thinks so. Okay, enough for today. Now we need to clean here and try to wash his t-shirt. And that's it for today. Don't forget to like this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments below and take care. What the heck are you doing, man? Just stop that. The video is over. Come on, just stop jumping.